1 minute. Here we go, chat. Y'all ready? Are y'all ready? I'm ready. I just don't know about you guys. You guys ready? Here we go. 30 seconds. Chat, we're back with another AM session. Let's go. Let's go. The last one in Canada. The last AM session here in Canada. Let's go. We got it. We got an interesting session ahead of us. We got a very, very, very big day today. Very big day today. And I'm not... it's going to be crazy. It's going to be crazy. We got earnings at 4 p.m. We have FOMC. We have so much stuff today. Today's kind of a trap. Last day hasn't because I'm going to Vegas. And I'm going to be streaming there. That's why. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Listen, we got a nice session today. As you may know, I'm obviously not going to be trading my PAs because it's pre-FOMC and pre-earnings. But I do have, since I get asked Lucid for some accounts to give away, they gave me 5 accounts for me and 5 accounts for you guys. So we're going to be trying to just, you know, pass those instantly. And then on terms of the giveaway, we're going to do a giveaway in Vegas. So when we stream either tomorrow or the day after that, I'll do the giveaway then. No, I'm not quitting streaming forever. Took a payout yesterday on Asia and I made all that back plus more on my other fundeds. Nice. We got a beautiful trade on PM session, chat. Look at that. Look at that right there. That was, oh wait, you can't even see. Look at that. That was our beautiful trade. This is the 5-minute chart. So if you drop down, we had love right there. That was we had a beautiful PM session yesterday. The AM session, not so much. Lunch hour. It was a pretty clean profile though. We had movement in the AM, consolidation in the lunch, movement in the PM. So that is just lovely. I love that. That's beautiful. But now we got a new day to interest us, to spark our interest. Too clean, barely any drawdown. I know, but the only thing is it didn't go to the draw. It drawed here and I closed here. I wanted to go to that would have been a 5R, 5.5 RR. But it's okay. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Happy with that 3.5 RR win. Anyways, looking at price action, what are we leaning towards, chat? Well, you can see we have a 4-hour fair value gap that we're trading into. Does not look too clean to be bullish right now. What I'm anticipating, let me clean up some of the charts here. What I'm anticipating is going to happen is you can see that we're trading away from that 4-hour fair value gap. I mean, we are also in an order block. You have to remember that. So there are 2 4-hour PD rays that are bouncing off of each other. If we are bearish, I'm going to see a new day opening gap entry and that low to be attacked. If we are bullish, I just want to look for that high or the high of the 4-hour fair value gap. On terms of the hourly chart, you can see there's one common thing that we're doing right now, chat. Whoops. There's one common thing that we're doing. There's a new day opening gap right here. And if we draw it out, look what we have here. Look at what we have here. 1, 2, 3, and almost 4 bounces off of it. Almost 4 bounces off of it, chat. That is pretty wild on that new day opening gap. So we're going to have to wait and see what we have presenting itself. We have a 1 hour fair value gap down here potentially, but I think we could maybe even just soup this low, tap into it, then push back up higher. Ideally, I want to be bullish in this scenario. Ideally, I want to be bullish. We got Meta anticipating the earnings tomorrow are going to gap up here. I want to see post-market go crazy. Yeah, dude, we got Google. Google's going to go ballistic as well. I see them doing really good earnings. And Amazon has its earnings as well. And I'm pretty sure Microsoft has it today as well. Yep. Microsoft is a good buy. Look at that. That's 30% from its all-time equal highs. I didn't even see that. Wow, Microsoft looks beautiful. Microsoft looks beautiful, chat. Anyways, let's jump. Let's jump to the markets here. We got some money to make today. I know, it's insane how much earnings are today. It's insane. It is absolutely insane. My screen looks blurry, but turn your quality up, my man. Look at that rip at 9:30. Love it. Love it. Love that. Love that. Look at that rally to the downside, taking those equal lows. Let's see if it can still respect that new day opening gap. Meta opens, it instantly rips down 1%. I'm looking at this. I don't care what happens in the markets today on terms of my investments because manipulation is so anticipated. Looking at NQ right now, NQ is dumping a little bit off. Remember, engineering liquidity is a very high, it's very high probability for the markets to engineer liquidity. And so far, if you're looking at all these highs, right, it does look like it's engineered. You know, today, tomorrow, we have some crazy price action. That right there. That is what I'm looking for to trade to from the earnings or FOMC. But right now, what I'm paying attention to is that 4 hours delivering, right? That 4 hour fair value gap is in that, and it's delivering towards that low to that new day opening gap potentially. So that's what I'm paying attention to right now. Right now, we're a little bit neutral. I really want 9:30 to play out. Ryan, brother. Wait, why can't I see the message? Ryan with the $10. Just want to start the day off right. Always in here, Ben. Keep it up what you're doing. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it. I appreciate it, my man. Listen, guys, we got a great session ahead of us. Let's just lock in and then get ready to make some moolah. That's it. Just get ready to make some moolah. Because I'm ready. Chat. I'm loving that reaction right there. I'm loving this reaction so far, chat. It's sparking my interest. That's for sure. It's sparking my interest. TradeAvate's logged in? Yeah, it is. No, Alex. Phony. What's my bias? Neutral. Right now, bias is bearish, but I'm neutral just because, like, we could draw to this low here, new day opening gap. So that's what I'm going to aim for now. But we really got to be patient, guys. We really got to be patient. I'm not anticipating too much because of that we're in that daily fair value gap. We have crazy news today. So I think it's not going to rip off so much lower, but it is going to engineer some liquidity. No entries for me yet. No entries for me yet. Nothing. It does look very bearish, though. How many Ryans are in here? I know, right? Should I hate myself for blowing my second funded? Brother, you're second funded? Bro, come on. Camelot is the actual moderator. Camelot is the #1 mod. You got a few more to blow before you become depressed, bro. You good, literally, bro. I think bro might just be all right. Bro blew his second eval. I think bro's hasn't even hit the Cannon event yet, dude. Like, bro's sunshine and rainbows right now. Good morning from Bolivia. Good morning, brother. Bro's just sunshine and rainbows right now. Bro hasn't even witnessed what's gonna happen. I've been good awoke. How about you, brother? Patience, 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 guys. Patience is always key. We got a really nice potential day today so far off of the reaction that we've gotten. So, I'm excited. I'm excited, chat. It's continuing to rally lower. No entry yet. No entry yet, chat. Why can't I hear myself? What? Bro hasn't felt the pain of blowing an XFA one day from a payout. Literally, right? Morning from Toronto. What's up? Hola, hola. I was up $500. Yeah, bro, you're good. You're fine, bro. Try being up $40,000 one day away from a payout, and then because you're one day away from a payout, you take a trade that you shouldn't take, and then you end up blowing your account. Try blowing over 50 accounts. Try getting a job, getting multiple payouts, quitting your job because you think you can full-time trade, blowing everything, and then having to go get a job again. You're fine, brother. You're gonna be all right. You're gonna be okay. I'm anticipating some bullishness today, chat. Even that reaction right there, that's pretty nice. Let's look at the 1 hour for value gap. Did it trade into it? Maybe on NQ. Can never trust MNQ nowadays. No, it didn't. 15. It's in the 15-minute inversion. It's in the 15-minute inversion for value gap. But it's in a 3-minute fair value gap, so I can't look for anything just yet. I want to see this big inefficiency get inverted, then we can start attacking these highs up here. Nothing yet. Nothing yet, chat. I'm gonna trade these Lucids super aggressively. Okay, so I'm gonna risk like 750 because they're 100Ks, so I'll risk 750 per trade. But I'm looking at this reaction right here off this fair value gap. It doesn't look too good for longs yet. Keyword yet. Give it time. It's only 9:37, chat. It's only 9:37. We got all the time in the world, chat. We got all the time in the world. Bro, what, Cact? ICT says short. You know how many times ICT has said long or short, and then I listen to him and lose? ICT will say, I want to see this, that, this, that. And he's not saying it's going to go there. He's saying he wants to see it. I'm not engaging in the longs yet. I do think it's going to travel down a little bit lower too, but I don't want to catch shorts right now. I mean, like those lows do look like an option here, but we need to invert this fair value gap for me to do that. Like I wouldn't be too scared from taking shorts here, chat. But right now, no, definitely not. After stooping that low, trading to this 15-minute inversion and bodying up halfway on that 15-minute candle, definitely not. We need to create an inversion fair value gap here. That's for sure. We need to completely body past this. Then I could potentially look for something like this. Right? It's a huge stop, as always, because the Trump markets are always going to be huge stops. But to that low, that's something I would look at. But I'm more leaning towards longs than shorts right now. It does look very bearish from that 4-hour fair value gap. So we're going to wait and see if we can create an inversion fair value gap here. Forty. 1 second, chat. Okay. Not in a short. Looks like it wants to react up higher. Again, like what I'm looking at right now, chat, is what this 4-hour is doing. Okay. Is it souping these lows? Is it souping these lows and then turning up higher and inverting this fair value gap and creating a 930 power of 3, which looks pretty beautiful, chat. I'm not going to lie with you guys. Look at this. That looks pretty nice, right? Consolidation, manipulation, distribution. But we do have to factor in that there's a 5-minute fair value gap that we're in. That 4-hour fair value gap has already started delivering, respecting consequent correction fairly nicely. So we're just going to wait a little. We could also, you know, do the expansion profile here because we are at OTE. So if we are going to be bearish, now is when we should reverse. If we push any higher than that, then my neutral bias is going to switch to bullish. If we break below this low and invert this fair value up, then my neutral bias is going to switch to bearish. But right now, we just got to sit and wait. Am I using more inversion fair value gaps out of the dodgy collab? No. I mean, it's just ironic that it's showing up, but no. Ben, I haven't been here in a while. Take a look at NQ. We could get power of 3. That's what I'm looking at right now. That's what I want to see is that power of 3 from 930. Like, look at that 930 manipulation right there. That looks beautiful, chat. But again, I'm just looking at that 4-hour and it looks like it's already playing out. I mean, we do have midnight open above us, but you can see it already traded to it and reacted off of it. So that's what could be causing this 4-hour sell-off, right? Traded to it, touched it twice here, failed to take that high, and then we sold down. And see how it's respecting OTE. So it could be that expansion profile because you look here, right? It's respecting literally OTE to the tick, the upper quadrant. So it could very much be the expansion profile. We just got to wait for some inefficiencies to get disrespected. Patience is everything, guys. Patience is absolutely everything. I'm really just sitting on my hands. I'm going to be patient for now. Very close to an entry, that's for sure. A few couple candles could give us that. We do have to be patient. Chat, I'm so excited to go to Vegas today. I don't know about you, bro, but I am excited to go to Vegas today. I'm excited. We got a crazy... okay, I'm going to try to do a David Dobrik type of style vlog, you know? Look at that. Look at that reaction. See how it's breaking that OTE level? Optimal trade entry. Look at that 15-minute wick. Can you be short with that? No, like, dude, come on. That's a 930 15-minute candle. Like, you guys, come on. Lock in, guys. That's so manipulation. We just need to disrespect this. We just need to turn up a little bit higher. We have no inefficiencies, you know? Nice, or is it going to be super hot, Chandler? Because it also, like, it's bouncing between two reasonings, right? You see that 5 minute, you see the 1 minute, you see a bunch of reasonings to turn up and to turn down. That's why I'm neutral right now. It's also bodied past the new day opening gap, and now it's retesting that new day opening gap. Right? Now it traded past the new day opening gap, and then it rebounced to it, and now it's selling off. So. All right, bud. Gonna do another stream with Dodgy in the future? Maybe. I mean, I'm going to meet with him. We're gonna have dinner next week. Me, him, and Desi Trades and Nick does Futures are going to have dinner next week. So we'll see. Ben is Vegas in Canada. Okay. Bro, you might just get banned for that one. You might just get banned for that one. Am I streaming PM today? No. No, I am not, guys. I'm traveling to Vegas. I'm gonna be landing at Vegas at 10:30 by time. So guys, I will be 2 hours behind. Wait. Vegas time. Yeah, chat. Oh, that's gonna suck. I have to be up at 6 a.m. to stream. Oh, chat, nah. I have to be up at 6 a.m. to stream, chat. Nah. I'm gonna be tired. I'm gonna be tired, chat. I'm gonna be tired. I'm gonna be tired. What hotel I'm staying at? I'm staying at the Wynn. Look at that reaction to the downside. That's beautiful. Get this inversion for value gap, and we're in. I'm gonna turn the volume down. I'm about to get an entry, and I don't want you guys to get screamed at by Trade of 8 to say order fill. It looks like a beautiful expansion profile, chat. Consolidation, expansion, retracement, expansion, 930 expansion, retracement, expansion. We're just looking for this fair value gap to get inverted. Then we get a position here. And then we get the position. Ben, do you take creatine? Yeah. You think I'm not tired? How many people are watching right now at 6 a.m. or earlier? Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Come on. Give us a little bit of a rally down. We could see SMT really quickly. What do we have here? We do have SMT on those lows. I've neutraled right now, guys. Like, I want to be bearish, but it's bullish, you know? And look at those SMTs as well. Like, all we need to do is invert this. Yeah, I'm going to stick to my original bias. I'm going to look for longs here. That was my original bias, was long positions. I just don't want to, I don't want to take it yet because we're still in that 5 minute. It's a beautiful manipulation. We also have SMT at the lows here, so. I think it's not enough information to get into long yet though, guys. You need to wait a little bit. You need to wait a little bit. It's 4 p.m. where you are. It's 6:47 here. It's 7 a.m. Damn, so we all are ballers, bro. Showing up every day, 6 a.m. It just makes it harder for you to be a trader if you gotta wake up like that, you know? I love my time. Living in the New York time zone, it's just like, it's perfect. Respect to y'all, literally, bro. Respect, Bowie Kitty. Because I feel like if you started later, like at 11 p.m., 11:30 p.m., You will trade too much into the day, you know? See how we're really consolidating right now? It's indecisive. We're just paying attention to this SMT. That's all. Let's make it. Paying attention to this SMT here, guys. Jerome Powell will deliver his last FOMC conference as Federal Reserve Chair. Wait, Jerome got voted out? Oh, we're gonna rip then. Wow. His term's done. Wow. What do you mean the market's gonna crash, bro? The new person's gonna be on a Trump presidency and they're just gonna cut rates. Wow, no. Guys, I'm gonna miss Powell. No. Aw. Good afternoon, everybody. Look at that reaction right there, guys. That's beautiful. That's what we wanted to see for logs now. I'm totally bullish. Look at that 3-minute fair value gap right there. I'm totally bullish now, chat. Take something like this and a version fair value gap setup. See if we can rally back down there. See if we can rally back down there. Rally to our fill price.
Order filled.
All right, we're in. I'm trading my Lucids, guys. I'm not trading my PAs, so I'm doing a very aggressive Lucid trading thing here. Super aggressive on this, guys. Super aggressive. Heavy, 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 heavy risk. Look at these equal highs right at minute open. Okay, look at that. That's what I'm aiming for. If it hesitates at minute open, though, I'm closing that. Instantly. Instantly. I'm loving how it's like testing the cells. You trade into a little 15-minute fair value gap, but should be fine here. Right, that 15-minute is the only thing that's worrying me, but other than that, it was a nice inversion. We're retouching that new day opening gap. This is really what tells it if this new day opening gap, chat. We got to react off this new day opening gap. So this new day opening gap has been used plenty of times right now. This is okay. The new day opening gap is being used like minute open recently. Well, today. So we got to bounce off of it. But I'm gonna risk aggressively on these Lucids. I just got them. By the way, I will give these Lucid. I will give Lucid accounts away. Should I do it today or tomorrow? Should I do it today or in Vegas, chat? You guys want me to give away the accounts today or in Vegas? Today. All right. I'll give them today. It's a 100K Lucid flex accounts. So they're worth $225. So we're giving away 5 of them. Fine, chat. You convinced me. Gonna drag my stop to this low here. We just got a body above this high. Good. 40 seconds to do that. No reasoning to push back down below there again, so yeah, I'm gonna drag my stop there. I want a body above the high because I'm afraid MNQ is gonna do some dumb stuff and then NQ's not, but we should be good. All right, chat, look at that risk management already. W in the chat. We risked 750 and now we're only like risking $300, so not even, maybe like 250. So that's a W. That's a W right there. Ideally, I want to go for more, higher than this. I could go for the all highs like that. I'll just take majority of my positions off there. So I'm not going to be taking any partials. I mean, there are equal highs here, but that's when I'll just drag to break even. On terms of what I'm looking at though, on chat. Okay, we got a partial here of 5 contracts. And then a 2 runner. We'll leave a runner for 2. But you have a body above this high. We shouldn't go retest this low now. We have a mitigation block. So we should, ideally we should be seeing low resistance liquidity run right now. But the trade's going pretty nice, so just gonna let it do its thing. I do want to see a better reaction off of this. We need to invert this fair value gap here, chat. See how it's reacting to it. I'm not going to try to break even because we have a beautiful order block there, but we need to push past this. I'm just paying attention. Like, this should be low resistance liquidity run, guys. We have, look at all these highs. And the reason why I'm saying this should be low resistance liquidity run and we need speed is because look at all these highs. Look at all these equal highs here, this high and these equal highs and minute open. Like, we have so much liquidity to be ripping past. So if we dilly-dally around in an inefficiency, it could mean we could sell off. That's why my stop loss was dragged aggressively. Like, we shouldn't push down anymore. We should just be seeing a complete rip up higher. I'm not loving that reaction, but it is very bullish. If you look at that 15-minute chart, that looks like 930 manipulation. You look at the 4 hour starting to turn bullish again. The 1 hour looks super bullish. That was the 1 hour. This is the 15-minute breaking structure to the upside. 930 manipulation was beautiful. So I get to hold into this trade. Who is like going ham on me at Discord? We need to see a rally to the upside here. We're in a little small 1 minute fair value gap right there. Yeah, like I said, it's not relevant. We need to invert this fair value gap. I'm not loving that reaction that we're getting there, guys. We need to start ripping up higher. This is like unacceptable. I sound like a teacher when I say that, bro. This is unacceptable. 10 a.m. news. I'm chilling. Look at where my stop loss is, guys. I'm chilling. We're barely risking anything now. Look at where we dragged our stop. We're fine. Cool your beans, dude. It's just a game, bro. Professor Ben. That is unacceptable. This is unacceptable, dude. Dude, no, that is not gnarly. Dude, that's unacceptable. We have 1 minute till 10 a.m. Come on, baby. Give it that juice. Give us that juice. Juice, juice, juice. What do you mean 10 a.m. news? There's no 10 a.m. news. It's 10:30. And that's Canadian press conference and crude oil inventories. No 10 a.m. news, brother. But 10 a.m. is still a big thing, so hopefully we get that speed that we need. Do we take it out, guys? Do we whip it out? Pause. Do we whip it out? Do we, you know what I'm talking about. Do we take it out? Yes or no? Yes. Yes. Do we whip out the big bull? Not a good reaction at 10 a.m., guys. Not a good reaction at 10 a.m. I'm still pretty confident in longs, but we really need to be pushing up higher here. Look how that 15-minute bodied there, right? That's not good. Look at that order block right there as well. That is trading and respecting. We really got to be pushing up higher. We're in a 5-minute fair value gap, so we could just got to let it rest. We got to let it marinate in that 5-minute. Hopefully it can turn up from it. I'm very happy where our stop is regardless of what happens. We're going to pull it out, guys. It's out. It's out. It did us good yesterday, so it's going to do us good again today. Hopefully you're going to do us good. What, do you only have one trade in your vault a month, and then the rest, whenever I pull you out, you just go straight to stop loss? Huh? Or can you also give me today too? Can you give me today? Let's go. Come on. Come on, Benny the Bull. Bro, Raheem, pause, bro. Pause. We gotta start pushing up higher now. Oh, I gotta actually move my stop just a tick down. There we go. We're in this inversion fair value gap as well. We're back to that new day opening gap. That's what I need to protect my stop with, is that new day opening gap. It's clearly a factor, all right? So you can see clearly this new day opening gap is a factor in price action. So don't drag your stop loss above it until you're certain that we shouldn't go back to that point. We should, if we're going to be bullish right now, guys, we should react off this and then turn up. But it doesn't look too great. Turning the volume down.
Stop filled.
Oof, I got you, guys. All right, how much do we lose that? $250 on a $750 risk. That is amazing. So it's basically a break even on that. Basically a break even on that. We're going to look for potential re-entry. But this fair value up just looks like it held way too well. But we're not gonna look for anything just yet. We're gonna wait for this 5-minute to be bodied. If it is, then we're gonna re-enter into it. Just looking at that 5-minute, paying attention to it. Let's look at Meta. Meta's not doing too shabby as well. Guys, I'm excited for today's earnings. I could have put my stop loss back to where I wanted it. Like, not wanted it, back to where my original risk was, but I'd rather just take a re-entry because I'll wait for this 1 minute to be inverted. Then I can get even better RR, to be honest. Like, look. That's even better R. That's the same. It doesn't matter to me. I'd rather do that. I will get back into a long here if we can invert this fair value gap. Put my stop here. But it does look like it was starting to sell off from that reaction right there off that 1 minute and this 1 minute. So we do have to be careful. It does look like it was I don't know. Yeah, I'm still bullish, but I don't want to see. I really need to wait for this 5-minute. That's all it is, guys. I just need to wait for this 5-minute. This 5-minute will tell the story. It's in an inversion. It's in the new day opening gap. It's just this 5-minute that you have to wait for. It's just a 5 minute that you have to wait for, chat. I remember my sell limit. Yeah. You're in shorts. Nice, brother. That 1 minute's too clean, dude. Let's look at ES really quickly. Yeah, ES is starting to sell off as well. You can see it's in that 5 minute. There's that 5 minute getting inverted. Could look for something like this, but we need to see that 5 minute being inverted. It's, again, a big stop. So, I mean, we'll be looking for more than that, but just some trend line liquidity here. I can't take it, you know? Not going to take it yet. I need to look at that 5 minute. I have a 2 here. I'm not getting into a position. I do think it's still going to rally up higher. Look at that 5 minute body. Look at that. Let's see. Could just have souped us. Again, I'm still bullish going into this, but if we invert this 5 minute, I'm going to let go of that because of this 5 minute reaction here. 10 seconds, chat. Yeah, it looks like I'm getting a re-entry here. Looks like I'm probably going to get a re-entry here. We'll see. We're consolidating in this 1 minute fair value gap. Trend line is still bullish. Price action is still bullish right now. It needs to really break these lows for us to be bearish. No trade today? Yeah, I'm not trading my PAs today, that's for sure. I'm trading these lucids that I just got, trying to see if I can just get 50% in 1 day. You're still a break even. Nice. Let's see. Let's see if she can rip up higher here. Okay, nice. I'm getting in here. Not yet. Not yet. Just need to see it start reversing to the high there. Very close, chat. Meta's starting to reverse back up higher. It's just, it's still respecting bearish order flow, right? Still respecting bearish PD raise. So I can't really get in yet, but I could easily just sell off here. But it's still just bouncing in that new day opening gap and that inversion fair value gap. So not yet, chat. Not yet. We're really close. Hopefully we get some cleaner price action though. Yeah, I literally just got these lucids. They're evals. That's why I'm just gonna heavier risk on them because I'm not trading my PAs on a day today because of FOMC and everything. But yeah, look at that. Look at that. It's starting to invert that 5 minute. But you got to be patient because it's consolidating on that new day opening gap. It's consolidating on that new day opening gap. Anything can happen. You just got to be patient, guys. No entry on either side right now. No entry on either side, chat. Guys, what should I do in Vegas? Out of all the firms you have discounts for, what's my favorite? These three: Apex, Lucid, and Tradeify. I believe TPT is out now, or if not, if you can't use code Ben, then it's coming out soon. But TPT, Fund Index, Alpha Futures, Top One, Lucid, Apex, and Tradeify, and Lucid, Apex, Tradeify are the best. Gamble. I think the market's going to move before FOMC. Like I said, market tends to engineer liquidity at FOMC. So although this is so obvious to go higher, it might engineer this. But we took in sell side. We have relative equal highs at midnight. Like I see us pushing back up higher easily. But we can't force that because we have a 15-minute that we're respecting. So we do have to wait a little bit. And my shirt is ripped. My shirt is not ripped, bro. It's how it is. It's like how it came. Yeah, now that looks like it wants to deliver, maybe offer a little bit lower prices. If we look at ES here, what's ES doing? ES is failing to move lower. That's one thing I'm also paying attention to, is that the fact that ES is a lot higher, but it's the one that had SMT, right? It left these lows as well here. Like, it's a lot closer to those lows here. Yeah, we have that 15-minute that we didn't fill on ES as well. So we're gonna have to wait just a little bit, guys. Let the market move because it's a little bit indecisive. So just wait a second. Just wait a second, chat. Patience pays always. Patience always pays. Almost up 1K from losing my account. Nice, brother. Sir, I have seen ICT 2022 and I am most aware of concepts. I'm having problem with narrative and context. What do I do? Core content talks about it, but just understanding the direction of the higher time frame before you look for your entry model, brother. I like these solo streams, bro. The collab seems scripted. How do you script a collab? What? Bro. It's live market. It's what it was like. Okay, so we're going to purposely lose a trade here and win a trade here. Bro, Camelot, you always be sleeping, bro. Do you get any sleep? Why do you always be sleeping in the day? Patience, guys. We're going to find something beautiful here. Look at Meta starting to reverse back up higher. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Love that. Meta's starting to push up. Google's pushing. Right? You look at Google. Google's pushing. Amazon's ripping. Markets are starting to reverse up higher. So it's just the NQ looks a little bit delayed. You know, the ES is moving. What's holding the NQ up? What is Snowflake is holding it up? Starbucks up 7%. Intel up 5%. Visa up 8%. What? Oh, earnings? Oh. Yeah, it's in their earnings. Wow. That's huge to see a credit card company do that because they got good dividends. You don't really see that often, chat. You don't really see a credit card company moving up that much. We're really just chopping at that new day opening gap, guys. We gotta wait. Don't engage yet. There's gonna be an opportunity, but you just gotta wait. Just gotta wait a second. You just gotta wait a second, chat. Chat, I will do. Okay, you guys gotta give me one thing to do in Vegas, and I will do it. If you guys mutually agree. Whoops, mutually agree. Am I Somalian? Yes. My buddy Josh has a poster of you in his room. I don't believe that. I don't believe that. I don't believe that. Nah, you're capping. Nah. I don't believe that, chat. I don't believe that. That I gotta see proof of that. Patience. Look at that beautiful rally. Look at that beauty, chat. Meta's pushing up now. Markets are starting to reverse. I'm looking at a re-entry here once we can invert this. Bro, not bad, Toast. I don't want you to have a body pillow of me. What are you talking about, bro? I'm not doing that. I don't want you guys to have body pillows of me. Bro saying Bro's saying that like I want that. All right, look at this inversion here. We're going to retry longs. Come on. Body up here. 20 seconds. Body up here. Body up here, baby. Come on, come on, come on. Don't react to that 5 minute. Body up higher. Look at meta starting to rip. Look at all the tech stocks starting to rip, chat. The tech stocks are starting to rip. No entry just yet. No entry just yet, chat. It looks we're really close to getting back into our longs. It's just being a little indecisive. It's being a little annoying right now. We have a new 15-minute candle. This will tell us a story here. Yep. Come on. Body above this 1 minute and then we're chilling. Body above this 1 minute and then we're chilling. It just doesn't body above it, chat. Just doesn't body above it. We gotta wait. We gotta wait. We just gotta wait, chat. I know. Annoying, right? Annoying, right? It's so annoying when you're so close to an entry and then it just balls you. It's a little bit choppy right now, guys, but it's 10:15, so I mean, the tech stocks are starting to move up higher. You can see Google's up 0.6, Amazon's up 1.5, Meta's up 0.3. I mean 0.1. Not too shabby. Markets are starting to move. Look at that. Come on, give us that 1 minute inversion. It's hesitating, dude. It's hesitating. Once we see this 15-minute really start to push back up higher, though, like I could even take this, chat, and put my stop at the new day opening gap. Like ideally, I just want to look at this 15-minute chart and just see it start to push up higher. Stop at the below the new day opening gap. Like that's what I want to see. Is the 15 minutes start to push up higher, and then we'll catch an entry. That's what I'm paying attention to right now, because you look at these wicks, guys. Like, let's be realistic, okay? We'll get rid of even in the inversion. We'll get rid of everything that we have. Brush there. Look, chat. Look at these wicks right here. That is manipulation. Look at the bodies. Like, we just need to see us push up a little bit more, and then I'm in an entry. Very close to an entry here. Very close. It's just being a little bit indecisive. You know, it's chopping in this 15-minute fair value gap right here. Just need to start pushing just above consequent encroachment, then we can grab into something. But we gotta wait, guys. Bro, this market actually pisses me off. I mean, it's not too shabby, bro. February was so bad. This market isn't too bad. Like, remember, we're still up so much, Brett, on this month. I just need a couple trades to get a payout. I have a huge buffer, so I'm chilling. Annoying. Come on, come on, come on. Meta's up 0.2. Tech markets are starting to move up here, guys. It does look like low of the day here at 9:30. It's just being so indecisive, chat. Like, look at this. You want to take more time? You want to take your sweet time? Go for it. No one's waiting for you. By the way, guys, no PM stream today, okay? I got to pack and I'm about to leave for Vegas. My cameraman comes at like 4 o'clock and we got to start recording. Bro, Mick is tweaking. What is Mickey saying? Ben, can I buy your chin hair? Okay. Yo, what are you talking about? Bro. Anyways, look at this. Come on. Don't be dumb here. There we go. There we go. I'm going to buy in here. This is my buy signal. I'm in, chat. Wait. You dirty dog. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. I'm about to get in, chat. It did body and make an inversion here. I'm going to get in. I'm just waiting for it to, you know, do its thing. I don't like those wicks. You need just one dominant body. Not in yet. That is starting to reverse heavy from that. Took buy side liquidity. It's being so indecisive, bro. It's being like that one girl that just doesn't want you, but says they do. Oh my gosh, guys. I'll open up the VWAP. There you go. There's your VWAP. There's your WAP. WAP. Virtual WAP. Come on. There's your virtual WAP, chat. Okay, that is insane. Like this little fishbone pattern, bro. I've been hovering over the buy button for time now. It's like ages. I have a feeling once it breaks the VWAP, it's just going to rip and we're not going to get our entry, bro. I mean, look at how it's trading into that inversion and respecting that. It's so indecisive. It's insane. Like, do something, bro. Travel up higher. I'm so bullish, chat. I'm just waiting for it to just break above this. It's just rejecting every time. TD, you just got to keep pushing, brother. It's normal for those things to happen. See why I didn't get in there? That's obvious rejection. Patience is everything, guys. Patience is everything. Everybody like up that stream, guys. Let's get to 200 likes. 200s. We get to 200s. By the way, if you guys are going to use Alpha Futures accounts, make sure to use code Ben. The Alpha Futures. Look at that wick right there. Not shabby. But the markets are so indecisive right now. It's like, I don't even know what to do. Well, I do know what to do, but like, you know what I mean? I'm gonna crash out. Look at that wick right there, dude. That's just wiping out all sell side, and then we rip up higher, hopefully. Like, dude, this is brutal. This is brutal. I'm 6'2". I'm 6'2". Come on. Come on. Do what we need to do here. NQ, no messing around, dude. Come on. Look at ES. No more messing around here, NQ. Give us our entry. I'm tired of you. I'm tired of you, and I don't want to deal with it. Oh my gosh, chat. Dude, it's like, I mean, it's in this order block. We should take a long now. I'm going to take a long now.
Order filled.
Stop it has to be the below the new day opening gap. There. Going for these highs up here. There we go. I gotta sneeze. Thank you. Bro, bad toast, bro. No. You actually bought with 3 instead of micros. Oh, you bought with minis? That's tough, bro. Definitely close it. Yeah, the more angry you get over trading, the harder it will be to learn. Patience. Yeah. You just gotta chill, relax, and understand that losing streaks happen, winning streaks happen. Everything happens in the markets. The only thing that you can control is how you react to it. Okay, this looks like a good re-entry for longs here. It looks beautiful. We're gonna put our set our partials out. Second. There we go. There's our trade chat. There she is, 2.29R. Look at that break. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at that 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart, super bullish. Now we're in the lower resistance liquidity run territory. We broke above the trend line. We have that low resistance liquidity run highs. We should be ripping up higher, faster. Beautiful 930 manipulation. A little bit of a tough chop at the beginning, but it's starting to play out a lot nicer. We're going to drag our stop loss to this low now. All right, so 50% of the trade has now been cut. Bro. Dude. There's something in my nose. I'm allergic to profitability, yeah. What the fuck? Bro. All right, we took these equal highs now. Gonna drag my stop boy. Bro, I'm actually gonna crash out. What the fuck? Okay, so another basically break-even trade risking now. Again, we should be seeing low resistance liquidity run. I don't like how meta's hesitating, bro. I want to see tech stocks fly. Nvidia's down a little bit too. We should rip up higher from this fair value gap. Come on, baby. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We're up 2.5K right now. Not shabby. What? How do you fake sneeze? Bro, do you see me? Ugh. Beautiful reaction so far, guys. Lovely trade on our hands. See if we can get that low LR to those equal highs at minute open. By the way, guys, if you want to get any prop firm challenges, make sure you use code BEN on any firm. 2 green days from payout. Nice, brother. Thank you, Ben. Made $2,100. You're welcome. You're welcome. Guys, so I'm going to make a David Dobrik style vlog in Vegas. Like, we're going to do a bunch of things, but I'm only going to record, like, little clips and add them together so it's a fast-paced vlog. Look at that reaction right there. Oh, my gosh. Woo, baby. Oh, baby. Louisiana, baby. Look at that, chat. Look at that. W in the chat. W in the chat. We're up $4,000. $4,000. Let's go. Look at that reaction right there. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a juicer. It's a juicer. It's a juicer. We got a beautiful power of 3 trade on our hands, chat. TP is about to get hit. TP, 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 TP. Drag to break even? Yeah, we can do that. I'll just drag it below the VWAP. TP chat. TPFN. Realistically, I could drag my stop loss that low. Secure profits on the day. Or secure my previous like break even loss back. I still see us ripping up higher. Like, I see us going all the way to these highs here. But we could also engineer that for FOMC, so be careful. Just be careful, chat. That's all I'm going to say is just be careful. By the way, guys, Apex is 90% off with Ben. You can also pass in 1 day. It gets rid of the consistency rule if you use code Ben. Chat, when I hit 100,000 subscribers, I'm going to treat myself to traveling the world. I'm going to pick 10 countries to go to. Where should I go? We got terrible Diddy reaction right there, chat. That's so tough. I don't want to see it. I mean, I could drag my stop loss back to VWAP, but we should be leaving that fair value gap as a breakaway. Because if you look at it, also inverts this one. You know what? I'm gonna risk just a little bit of profits. I'd rather have my stop down here. Like, look at that BPR right there, chat. Like, I'd rather do that. I'd rather get stopped at break even than make like $200. It's $200. When I'm risking $750 per trade, that's fine. Paying attention to this BPR right here. You see this? Look at this beautiful BPR. Look at that. Look at that. I can easily get re-referenced. I still think we're so bullish, chat. Just survive manipulation. We're going up to these highs. It's almost pretty obvious to me. It's almost pretty obvious to me, chat. Afghanistan, Kenya, Mongolia, Germany, Colombia. I'll go to Brazil. I'll go to probably Germany, Singapore, Milan. I'll definitely go to Milan, Italy. Might go to Russia. Look at that reaction right there, baby. Look at that. Argentina, I'll go to. Spain, I'll go to. I'll go to Peru as well. Austria. Look at this. Look at this, chat. Let's go. TP. We're at 5K right now. We're up 5K. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Don't you dare edge my TP, bro. Chat, I swear. Don't you dare, you dirty dog. You dirty dog. Don't do that. Don't do that. That will be dirty. That will be dirty. Why are you spamming that? Like, who gives a fuck about Starbucks, bro? Bro. What is this guy yapping about? Come on, chat. Look at this. TP. Let's go. Let's run it. Don't mess around here. Thank you, Inner Trader Mass, with the subscription. Gracias. Go to Japan. Definitely going to Japan. You go to any World Cup games? I'm thinking about it. Come on, baby. Rip. This minute should rip it. We should go hit it now. Come on. Don't play any games. Don't play any games, bro. Don't play any games. Don't play any games. Just go. Stop it. I don't like you. I don't like how it's doing this. I don't like it. For content purposes, I'm just not going to close. I'm not going to take my partial right now. I'm just going to let it run. I'm not going to take TP. I'm not going to take TP.
Order
there
filled.
we go. All right. Beautiful. TP hit. Now we're leaving a 4 contract runner, chat. A very dominant runner. Very, very aggressive runner here. Up to those highs. W in the chat. W in the chat, guys. That was a $600, $700 TP partial. Actually, I can drag my stop to the higher low. Type 1 if you took this trade. If only we dragged our stop loss too prematurely there, I guess. That entry, I mean, it's, yeah. Would have been an extra, like, RR, but that's it. We're bouncing at midnight open, guys. So if we start pushing down lower, I'm going to close. We need to rip up higher, like, fast here. Which is what we're doing. Beautiful reaction. Beautiful reaction, chat. Look at this sweet baby. Who knew that the day of the crazy earnings and FOMC and just overall craziness would be the day that we would get a better trade? I'm so grateful for coming across your channel, Ben, changing my life, man. God bless. Hey, God bless, brother. I appreciate those kind words. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. We're going to drag our stop aggressively now. We're going to put it just under midnight open. There we go. Full TP approaching. Approaching full TP. Let's go, chat. W's in the chat. I want to see all the W's. I want to see all the W's. Like up the stream. I want to get to 200, 300 likes. Hit that subscribe button if you are new. W's in the shot. W's in the shot. Come on. Full TP. Let's go. Let's run it. Let's run it. No more playing here. Let's take it here. No more playing games. Let's finish up. No PM session today, by the way, guys. Let's go, baby. Let's go. TP. Let's go. Hey, thug shake. Thug shake. Thug shake. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, chat. Come on, don't. Nah. You're not going to do that to me, NQ. You're not going to do that to me, NQ. You're not going to do that. You're not going to do that. You're not that dirty, bro. You're not that dirty. You're not that dirty. You're going to do better than that. NQ? NQ, I swear. I swore. I swore. NQ. Yo. Wait. Let's go, David. Come on, baby. Full TP. Bro. Don't be doing that to me, bro. Don't give me a full TP. Give me a full TP plus more, plus the runners. I want to hit the runners too. That'd be sad if I didn't get a hit or hit the runners. Look how close that was, dude. That's insane. That would be so L. But I took the same trade, but closed a minute open because I only trade one contract. Good decision. Yeah, brother. That's my full. That minute open was my full TP. These are runners. Genesis Ravello. What's up, brother? Or sister? Patience, guys. Chat. What's going on here? What's going on here? Oh yeah, we gotta do our giveaway too. If we hit the full runner TP, we'll do our giveaway right after the stream. We'll pick 2 winners. Araf T, thank you, brother, for the subscription. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Dude, this is actually like, this is testing me, bro. This is testing me. This is dirty. How do you participate in giveaways? You have to join my free Discord. You dirty dog, bro. Don't be dirty like that, man. Don't do us like that. No way we were that close, bro. LNQ chat. LNQ. LNQ. LNQ, bro. We're in a 1 minute fair value up. That's our only hope. LNQ. Have a safe flight, Ben. W day with your patience. Let's go. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it. Come on, MNQ. Don't edge me again, bro. Come on. It's doing too much, bro. You're doing too much. You're doing too much. Just go up higher. Okay? Okay? Okay. Just go hit my full TP with a runner. You're doing too much, bro. You're doing too much. MNQ. Stop it. Bad boy. No. Fuck. Oh my gosh. Bro.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
Really? Wait, I can't close it, chat. There. Really, bro? Really? Really, bro? Really? Really? You had to do that? You had to do that? You had to edge my final TP, so you just wanted to take, bro. NQ's taxing, bro. NQ's taxing, bro. You really had to take an extra $300 from me? Like, really, bro? Really? And now you're going back up higher? Now you're going back up higher? Bro, why are the market makers watching my stream right now? Anyways, chat. Let's do the giveaway. All right. The first winner is CJG. Wait, why am I getting a verify your human thing? And then the second winner is... Can't beat me. All right, fellas. Oh my gosh, you guys are going crazy. Stop with the spamming. Can't beat me up, DM you later. CJG, I'll DM you later. Congratulations to the winners. I will see you guys in Las Vegas, chat. Obviously, we're going to finish in prayer, but that was a W trade, guys. W day. W day. We made $5,000. Just under. 4,800. W day today, chat. I'll see you guys in Las Vegas. No PM stream. God bless you all. Stay safe. Thank you for everything. And I'll see you guys soon. Let's go. Let's finish in prayer. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for another amazing day and opportunity. Lord, please be with us, protect us, and forgive us for our sins, and remind us that everything happens for a reason. Lord, please protect me while I go on this plane flight, and protect everyone on that plane. And please be with anyone on the other side of the screen that may be going through a hard time, and give them hope and remind them that everything happens for a reason. As long as they have faith in you, it will work. Lord Jesus Christ, God, please deliver us from the evil one. Glory and praise be to your name. I rebuke any voice in my head that isn't yours. In Jesus Christ's holy name we pray. Amen. All right, fellas. It looks like it's running back to full TP, but it's all right. I'll see you guys in Vegas tomorrow. It is running to full TP. That is so disgraceful, bro. You really have to wick me out like that after edging my TP? Fuck you. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to check out Prop Firm Gain if you want to look at do any prop firm comparing or matchmaking. Make sure to use code BEN on any firms that you want. To help support me, hit that subscribe button. God bless. Take care. And I'll see you guys in Vegas tomorrow.